really excited about today, and y'all are probably like, why is she excited? I'm excited because it's Valentine's Day. And I know that sounds so silly, but I've always enjoyed Valentine's Day, and I think it's because just growing up, my mother always celebrated it. So, like, I would wake up in the morning and she would have like candy, teddy bears, whatever, like a really good, like, just appreciation and token of love. And so I grew up like that, and so I still celebrate Valentine's to this day. Like, I very much get my friends Valentine's Day gifts and stuff like that. And this year, I actually did gift baskets for my friends. Last year, I always make gift baskets. So last year I made gift baskets as well, and I hand delivered them to my friends. Sometimes I send them flowers or whatever, but I also do that stuff for my friends throughout the year too, just because I'm not a verbal communicator of like love per se, but I'm an actions person. And that could be another reason why I really enjoy Valentine's Day. But anyway, I want to show y'all what I got for Valentine's Day. So I haven't opened it. When I walked in the house, this is what I saw. Let me see if I can show you. I got a card from Brandon. These roses that say Happy Valentine's Day, and look how long the stems are. Card from Braylon, my son.
Here is a gift and a poem.
Okay.
Roses are red, tacos are grand. With you, your ideas never go as planned. But you're my forever partner in crime. Bad boys for life till the end of time.
Thank you. This is my singing telegram for Valentine's Day.
Yeah, I didn't, but you know.
Thank you.
Monotone.
Yeah, yo.
And when you open it, you'll see that.
This is my singing telegram for Valentine's Day. Oh, I get a dance too. Something's wrong with you.
Brittany's baskets are the best. #1 in the DMV.
Oh my gosh. What'd you get? You gonna open it or you gonna wait till you get home?
I mean, I can do it now.
Okay, go ahead.
So her baskets always come like something durable, something you can multi-purpose. I got it. What? I got a candle. Smells delightful.
Oh my god.
Then I did need some of these too. Oh, the beauty
Yeah.
stuff.
I got her some stuff to put concealer on because she always say, "What you be saying, Jeff?"
I don't want to do it.
She
If I
said,
look like it now.
she said she put concealer on so she don't
I
look
need this when I
dead.
travel, because I don't never be having what to call it. Oh, you know I love the journal now, because I do be.
Did you take out your cups?
Oh yeah.
It's a bow theme.
And then which I have an idea to share. So I really do be using like journals. Like I really am a journal planner person, even though I still forget stuff. But
She do be writing everything down, still forget it.
Yeah, I still forget.